Descended from dinosaurs, some species of bird have existed for millions of years, slowly evolving into the majestic creatures we see today. With over 9,000 species of bird on the planet, human attention has always been drawn to such creatures as the watchful vulture or the mighty eagle. However, such attention has not always been paid towards the more common Irish species.
DNA of a crow found in Australia dates back 30 million years, so they've been evolving a lot longer than us humans.
Studies have shown that crows can even count. With an average lifespan of 20 years, we wonder if they can spell too.
They should be able to spell by now like pigeons.
Yeah, pigeons. Studies have shown that pigeons can read the 26 letters of the alphabet. Perhaps that's why they were used to deliver messages.
The bird you do not want to get a message from is the crow, and you certainly don't want them following you. According to myth, if a crow is following you and crowing, it means that one of your dead relatives is trying to tell you something. Perhaps that's why they're often seen in graveyards.
Crows are usually associated with dark omens and death. In Irish mythology, the crow is seen as a manifestation of the Morgan, a phantom queen symbolising battle strife and sovereignty. A warning of war and death who spoke of the battlefield as her garden.
On the other hand, ducks. Well, in Celtic mythology, ducks represent honesty, simplicity, and resourcefulness. The easy life.
Ducks like to clean themselves. Preening is the process by which ducks groom themselves, getting rid of dust, dirt, and parasites from their feathers, while also helping to waterproof their outer layer.
They're a Celtic symbol of transition, probably because they are migratory. They fly thousands of miles every year. Studies suggest migrating birds can see the Earth's magnetic fields, helping them to find their way back home each time.
Seagulls too are migratory, crossing great oceans every winter.
Like a tribe, they stand up to intruders. Up to 100 gulls will intimidate an invader away.
In Celtic legend, the god of the sea is often portrayed as a gull. Pigeons and crows can remember human faces. Pigeons for up to 5 years. So the next time you're wandering through town, be kind to our birds. They're smarter than you think, and they will remember you.